In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile without sending notifications to your contacts. Whether you're adding new achievements, updating your experience, or just cleaning things up, you might not want everyone on your network to get notified about it. The good news is that it's quick and easy to do. It'll only take a few minutes. So let's get started. First, head over to the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile photo. This little icon is your shortcut to accessing all your personal settings. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is your go-to section for managing everything related to your privacy, visibility, and how your activities are shared across LinkedIn. Now, once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll need to look for the Visibility tab. This is where we're going to make the necessary adjustments to prevent your contacts from being alerted about your profile changes. So go ahead and click on the Visibility tab to open it up. Inside these visibility settings, you'll want to scroll down until you spot an option that says Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This is the particular setting that automatically notifies your contacts whenever you make updates to your profile. Now, to stop those notifications, you simply need to click on this option and turn it off. By doing this, you're essentially instructing LinkedIn not to announce any of your updates to your network. It's a smart way to quietly edit your profile and maintain control over when and how your contacts see your changes. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to update your LinkedIn profile without alerting anyone in your network. Keeping your profile current is crucial, but you should always have the power to decide when to share those updates with others. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you so much for